Hello, Namaste. Here is Shirendra. So today I'm going to talk you about the queries in MS Access. How we can do the queries? Why queries? What are the queries? So queries is a kind of filter or advanced filter also we can say as a simple query. Query is one of the best tool in MS Access to analyze the data, to show the data, to display or retrieve the data, to handle the huge data. So query is one of the important tools or important object in MS Access. Query helps to retrieve the data, manage the data, analyze the data, manipulates different data as our wish. We can show the data, filter the data. So generally in simple way we can say it is the advanced form of filter. So first, for which table or which form you would like to make a query, so it's better to select that table. Suppose I'm gonna create the table from the query, and when you click at create menu, so create menu, here's the table. So I'm gonna show you. So here you can find create menu, and I have selected info table. My table is this. So you can see the data. If you just click it here, you can see data. I have 5 different data, so you can see here. And let I'm gonna close it, or without closing directly you can do it. So I have closed. So when you click at create menu, you can find some options like query. So query wizard, query design. Query wizard, it's a little bit lengthy process. You need to go one after another what types of query you want, like simple query and some like and another is query design. When you click at query design, it allows us to select some particular tables and asks you to save it. So I'm gonna using this query design, and then now you can find here one show the table. So it shows that from which table you want to make the queries for which table. So I'm going to show this effort. Sorry, first info, and then if you select it, and then you can do add. I did. Here you can do the close it. So now this is our table, and these are the different fields of our table. So which you like to increase? So you can see here down this all different. These are the grid design. So these are known as the grid design. So this is interfere. You can resize this to see this all the fields. Okay. Resize is to see this all the fields, and now we can double click to add this all the fields in this field in this grid. So I'm going to click at this student's ID, first name, last name. If you wish, you can see the email, or if you don't wish, you can avoid this, your choice. Okay, your choice. And okay, so photo also you can do, or I'm not going to choose this, so I'm going to choose directly faculty. So I'm sorry, here is one more is already there, so you can avoid this. So I'm going to delete this. Okay, so I have added here 5 different fields. Now it's okay. Now you can save it by click it here and save. Okay, you can save. So it's info query. I'm going to write here info query, and then okay. Now you can run the query. If you wish, you can run the query, or just you can go to the view menu in design, or maybe in home. view menu, click it here, and we can find three different views, like in form, like SQL views, and then query, design view, and then dataset view. When you click it, you can see in this form. So it looks like it. So it is retrieving that all data. So here you can see this all 5 records are there, but in only 5 different fields. So I'm going to filter it. So other this you can do from the filter, or let's go and go in design view. When you see the design view, we have different things here. You can find the first is field. So this is the field area at the first, and then next you can see here is the table. So we can see here field, table, sort, show. If you like to show, you can just, it is checked, or if you do not want to show, if you will remove this check, then you cannot see. So I'm going to show you here as run query. See, one field is gone, that email field has gone. So once again in design view, and I'm going to show you something else. So I'm going to sort the name list alphabetical order, so ascending order. So when you will do run the query, and you can see here all name is in alphabetical order, or we can sort in different ways. So once more in design view, you can show the email address as well as I have checked in. And okay, so name should be in descending order. I'm not going to do anything in last name, but faculty, I'm going to use some here, like faculty here is ascending order, and in criteria I'm going to use here, like we can use wildcard, like wildcard. So if you want to see just only science or management, then you must write in double quote. So let's here in criteria, so you can see here I'm using in criteria. So here in faculty, I'm going to see only management, and when you write inside double quote, it just only, it shows the only in management field. So let's run the query once. Okay, so you can see here Rachana Karki is in management field. Okay, so in the place of this management, if you write like let's science, then again run the query, again you can find says only science. So in this way we can manage. It's a really wonderful advanced type of features is given in query. So next we will see in some other way to connect the query. So if you would like to go with this query, you can see here SQL language view. So here is the query, its language is here written. So select info table, and these are the different field from the info and where to show. So here is one faculty science. In faculty there is I have use some queries, and then order by name. So because I have ordered, I have sort there, so you can see like this. Either you can use the source language if you have idea, otherwise you just go design view and use the query. Thank you. So see you in next video.